Berejere bakimo okoaga. Nande tutumba kwa just a layman uga kinya ira to bakamutethia. Mugwata. To bati ku me analyze na we.
Yeah.
Rembere ba musevire niki. Eja iro aponere niki.
Ya mathatu.
Mathatu omba kupone atea. Yongu aka analysis kau ko tumba gutegera tukona tukauma na ro twimenya mono isa ndio tuthe. Kundu na mandu tatu jara jombo karika. By Tuesday oro. Mama achoke ngavana. Kanaane kana kwithro kwena ira tukweta ira a constitutional moment ira president ageta aivoke article 192 iu ya ko dissolve county.
Yes.
Inkona kwera mero bakathugane story antu bakwaria ke constitution nete rais power cha ko dissolve county na article 192 iriuga kia mbere kia president omba gutumira kana kuonekana ni gwitikiria ku dissolve county continued wrangles fights, misunderstandings, continued wars.
Teni kona ile ku
Ewe tukoroketa ewe tukotoka percent to mega 100 plus 1%
kweli
ewe reo na kila mtu nakona ende process ega kinyata revoera impeachment ije ete dikirwe senate nya bontu kwira bali bone baka wangwana na ito kubaromba mono senate Kenya start this time round kona nya bena interest ya Meru atad
kweli
ikedori kiu ke mtu ikedora ni interest cha mtu ikedori mbachira mtu anenga ndo obvious oda kuna lobbying ine na endrete baka uga batwe tukudikira Meru maithathatu na rere turenda guform ira constitution gwita commission of inquiry ite Meru itegere impeachment mbere kayate ijire irato itegere executive ije kayate muzo za kawira gura na dite sheria jareo appointments with happen body with kuranjina board members pategere beje na ndeba recommend the president of Mures dissolve this parliament this county of Meru ko dissolve manisha ngabana kana na MC bonde bane
baringe gura siasa kaile
constitution eriuga ya dissolve county is suspended for 90 days maybe that too after the 90th day tubati kuringa kura ukoona kitu mitokuga at the country anto bakara bakiuga tuna challenge ije ya ABC kudura to tena IBC
bagataranga to tena IBC tariku
it is not a fair state actually EU constitutional ituneta sheria na executive ineta sheria EU kabisa
tena IBC daino
tena IBC commissioners bateo IBC institution area secretariat bareo but the commissioners the board tena tatuka board eteo mwata
yes
lazima tutatuna chairperson na commissioners bare na ngwata ndoje ile taruto na Raila. That is one of the things after boma ke finance bill tekeje ya IBC ndokudoania komba kogiwa ondu wake semero
ari
no IBC tikanto kidogo igendo gutwa ina mandu elections ina mandu borderless independent body kume constitute kajo ke sometime na this is the best time ile onandi unto tureambere nyara ira Ruto areambira kutia process last year pena rangos katika opposition nawe iteumba kujanira ende dai pena abilite ku karande betikanerie afaf wada
yes
bora ona bora nkona mono ndi mutaramu oni
yes
na sinete kana guchithambia mbere yantu turode ngo baba inginyi bot ketho na chiringi mono mandu za manginyi bot no kuma Kenya ni Kenya ba kinyere level mabo ga tuteta na mandu za karatu nturere na za
kweli
turana kwa randia sinda za bawo no bonde so kira kiombo karika mono iseneta senate igere gochi itidambie for the first time ulte governor umwe baromba kuikia kwanya this time uraba ndi deputy governor Kisii it's high time pategera mandu ya usage of resources
yes
tukwara ya mandu ya funds ya finance bill tutena mbele cha kura maden tunambele cha ujike county but tukoza kira kinini kikona kira kwa county kwa mismanaged for how long will you as a senator sit down na robi bolo bembecha
chana ati
kio igeta mikona yanto kana kiora it's high time it's a clarion call actually ke senate yetu na ojo mo ko ndamu text ta wato ko ba to are disrespecting ato ko alright you have to fight for devolution we senate or development to wait here you have to fight for devolution keep order of the governors baratu na bona aja so senate ora na bu recommend to dissolution na Meru county ne igateka mantu cha IBC tipo baba tiko za kaira mantu. What they need to do, it's them ba recommend change euya for the first time counted on kwa dissolved. What?
Yes.
MBO
kulingana na utaalamu waku account ya Meru mbio ina thina gatigati ya MC na ngava mwantu akwa bacho bakwa atere imama akinyire maguta ainga marinya akwa botia ndiko akano kweli wani icho chiasa no ndo ndo iri chiasa chirobo mama tiko kinyuka na kinyire tunamuka bisa
chare jirere yo no kumanya ngavana number 1 ki constitution ngugavana batiko yareta kureta unity na kurudu democracy. You know, one of the roles ya governor unite antu wataka style ya kawira itena mandu jo wantu bara banginya professionals bara bangi ba moevere meaning kwena ko lax area leadership ya wenya president na ugere impeachment mbere ko jabo kuna na challenge leadership na wakati wena MCAs bakona opportunity bakona kau they eat you on that. No, it's politics. People will always look at your weakness. Kawira na ndubu. Ibubu kada wewe ambere ke mandoza impeachment ya Monday na Tuesday. Kawira akora mako Unite County. Ako their divide and rule. Atena ena gaps in mandoza leadership na governance. Iwe keja. Nione onande euni othe ina rea nene mona imero. Turezo tuena governor ukumba ko karande na kukinya break on some issues. Na ate utako Andres Santo ke media uraona bagera na mari manto
mahamkanyo
teko na tuetera tukinyetele wewe kereto ta kinyale wewe munya ta kinyale wewe kinyaka dei bare so no be so ad kana mtu mwaka dara na ya very arrogant na ije ku balance wata kiki kura ki executive to dai challenge reo na yo members of parliament bakureta issues eje itokwarea tuko bakurukirwe budget raba endala te
bakurukirwe
fadira turuga bana gabani go bakaga project ira but iwa kente kona ikireta timando jambecha iwa kete umba ku solve issues chamero okaigwa one of the defense ya weke through IS have given in keyword fund I have repeated that 3 million in every but it is constitutional that you need to give resources equitably to every ward. Kamero tuna ward 45. Lazima wewe inoko give resources equitably ke budget yara. Obvious ko imo ikona ndaje nyingi on to bo fraction project imo. Kala ndio municipality na kana area zira drive kona pena about government ni to affirmative action fund. So chare jere yo katikati antu baba iri new number 1 role ya governor. Neo neo MCAs bagotumira muno kureta impeachment.
Kwa wata mantu makugwa watukore muko watithania atongore baba. The same no to bago kwa tano still bakuruka tena deputy governor wake.
Yes.
No watakuwa kulak unit ka kuwatithania. Omba kuto no deputy governor no na meti kuwatana na governor ke governor na makosa. Memba ku governor na makosa na deputy governor na makosa. Mianto onge ruwa no governor na makosa na batiko watana na deputy governor.
Kiurekera tomba ko churi nyawe aleman tu geumete nya suturukana ko kanyatara rinya Kenya wa jawi gora ngos chamero. Wachori ya who is fighting the governor. Where is assembly too?
Yes.
Ukara gairo governor na china ya kireito na mukurungi wa tawari ntore na bachinda. Asari man no ko na kabukana kambre no ko kanya kurubara baira betra ba wata na botu mira sene. Assembly ko wa mamore ndo election era. Weta takairo wi ena deputy governor. Ori deputy governor jo arete ni ando furani kana no jo kirie ero no jo kirie ori ibende ne ora bende ne iba kula nyangoge igwe iba atwera ko rana na ino wambere te mando ja ingavana no chokolete uzo amuyinya muzi ogwe ko rire umoki wa ino de na me wamenya utale
we do wamenya
badu ya ka to wa ino we de ra ine do wamenya it's out there we go kairi mto na ko chokolala na kanisa segment ya kanisa atakuwa yanawacho wata kwa professional lines atakuwa wata na abo urenda kuwa professional kwa dena kanisa ina dena kana assembly you know it's out there to be known who has the problem
nandi asadika kange kazoni moro wagu no kuona impeachment chiere kwa na evidence ya leta kwa assembly babunge bara kwende tejo bareranga kibiri naho kana na aenda dotero akuna no kona antoma mbuga kurugida siasi chikodema barwa kagwera no ntu no kona kibiri byo bona gara.
Okay, raudi yeje gutena chance ibiri unto MPs bachokera na bai content bwa kamuna acho ndaiga wabonye beringiro radio beringiro TV na hii beringiro ke radio na TV chipa kwa untara ya kameme unto ibalana reason video ya chatero mtukuira impeachment
yes
ara senate ichi we play a lot of emotions ende dai gutethera kuona video utunya kawera wango ibatigire ku record mantu gara yetana are na wango tai side yawe
na tigire
dai kila nande dai sheria iteta kwaririrwa re kwena bodi twanengere mbecha as assembly ya twabarengera 500 million
ikore sheria
ete nora keta kwa point board ene mwaka joithira mbecha ni chitomeri chonde bodi na yetu no isaina mbecha ibao basa ina mbecha ije ninachie it's purely constitutional and discussion dai nteko na chance nyakawira etakurira are dai utemandu jaga mutethia dai imandu jari ya reason na kuagiu makosa yewe najo appointment hiwi iteto sawa body ite function na abuse of office na appointments ingi ite batere those are the things that nande sinete bate kuchonkona utai to berete manto ja korera to berete manto ja ngita mangita theola ai rare ngene ro no mero nanga bana lazima muone jauja theola ai this is now the right impeachment. Ino impeachment that what impeachment tena nande side shows na oni ngona ntuko iwijeri tegeriu no irega kungana untu dai tureta nande ko ato kutibu ka disease ko ngoto kona igaiko no wata nande ko recommend ndawa to recommend masoezi to recommend mantu jama ingiaja untu ituje nande kira kiretete ya ire ngi ko arinya na witness omore MP. It was the biggest mistake. Assemblies, bamero bamone achore bako bara bainge. That was the. I saw that. Na mnatiza was taken a political twist.
Yari witness MP.
Witness MP omwe. Obviously it will go and whip emotions.
The political.
Na we go mero in MPs bonde ne akoro. Apart from women they pore. What will come in the mind of the senators? Na baku itomo hao echa kwa witness. That was the biggest mistake and undoing. Nakita mimi kuga county government na impeachment hiji ibapika ira technocrats bamwe. Bakata ko dikira lawyers, just lawyers. Ndora taka tuza kwa gilo. Takwa gina police manto jama inge. Pachwa guys in ICT sector, guys in policy, guys in strategy. Bakero ba ko package impeachment motion chao.
Yes.
Yeje oran ko na kai move ore imoyokoro.
Yes, aguna kuite yes.
Mwakuru
bauga
itura kwiro kawira arena kwengo imuntu mwakuru tai kiure gikorikana kawira eti kwengwa mwakuru ujo ri mukuru ikire kirinda ujo ko move motion eje mukuru ikire kirinda no wata hareka yaro yeta zipora is a woman like you yes ata umba kuwana ndini mero bate kwenda utongore bwakuru kwekuru kwa yo yore kimo kirito mono unto dai gotena mando ja mainga ja it's about the side shows anga men batarito tongerwa men batarito tongerwa ne akuru mando ja maingi ina ko group ya koro batrimana bare leaders in politics bara bainge batonyare mbuga bare appointed in government ona be via betara sarena bakadivia tochita tokadia press conference bakagwa ito kadana na to ya kuruba meru to kana ko ingivia ngavana MP bakadivia dai jateo sa protege zateo itotiga assembly na executive by ke facts chiao bara assembly ke chiao ba defend executive ya county na senators na ande ba itemoto manto we are fighting a woman assembly is fighting a woman so a man is impeaching a woman it's a woman who is now it's a woman who is bringing the motion
moni makuru na
no chonko ni bori to lande
yes moni makuru deno kire motion kire impeachment ukida na medo me mairo ka mesendi no akari ndio ida ba aide tona mo angi sui mairi bachiga briki ingia tukama datu antu badore ko this the week now the yo mento mantoma very weak ukikompera mama ngi manyuma no kuona
ngitoka dege kire kembere no impeachment ida to ejere ikware na mojo ikware na mwere I think one of the counts nere mogwate mwere etre 1821
yes kura ira cia
kura cia ringa ringa yo pa account nyada ino weka thithu ugore na kuga assembly ba kosete kenda beta bona nyomwerere na emotions ira cia wipro ntukwira senators ko kwatoro mo staff of them boga kagira I think bairi kana umwe ana so what is there is not about now weakness kana strength emotion tukaira na identity ongorokia eje eje ile oda yo metegera za technocrat onkwira ina stud endito kwanza kiemando ja abuse of office the secondly kuna sheria cha wa the constitution nuje kuna fourth schedule ya constitution fourth schedule it divide our roles neka is elaborate laws cha national government we part 1 part 2 i devolved government county government kwa iji cho responsibility chain wetake constitution ile yetu atiko ile ya manzo ja devolution yambira yekabwa kwena committees cha county there will be a county government assembly the county assembly assembly will be led by a speaker and it will have county committees county committees tiba koreja mandanzi
kweli
iba gonchonko na county executive kwena bara basheria kwena health kwena education wata
yes
edo report iji budget ya choda iba kaja report indito tukweta CSC fulani wa county tumuri otumiri wamba cha fulani ujo no tukomuri appointments ina tete na sheria you know discussion ya ira to ira to kwenda za mero timanto anga chake beri geteo dai me ke kwe manto akambira kwa riro na oninkan buka assembly na bati ko da balai bampane kira cheki yoko na bero bati ko set manto ja jao bara bakagera kureta ku whip emotions kairi defense kagera kureta emotions kairi defense ya governor na bakareta manto ja kebiri but na bagera kucheza videos I think that should be deterred unture ira na dire emotion ira na dire na defense type style ba tumere it cannot work right now